Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to reverse a video clip in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap New Project or open an existing one. Click the video clip you want to reverse. If you want to reverse a part of a clip, tap on the clip in the timeline. Move the white playhead to the start of the part you want to reverse, then tap Split. Do the same at the end of the section. Now select the new smaller clip in between. With the correct clip selected, scroll along the bottom toolbar, then tap Reverse. Then CapCut will process the video. This may take a moment depending on the length. And this is how it looks like. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.